Hi guys, gals and non-binary pals, welcome back to Budget with Ira. In today's video we're setting up the framework for June's budget and it looks a little bit like this. I'm a big fan of the Bootleg budget, so I can't afford any of these expensive planners like the Plum Paper and the Erin Condren, so I just make it myself. I've previously made Bootleg budgets with wallpaper, with magazines, I've even made my own stickers, but this month for June, now that I've bought myself a printer, I'm going to be making it digitally. I'm using a free program called GIMP. It's the best one I've managed to find. It's as close to Photoshop as I can possibly find that is free. And by no means am I an expert in this because while it is similar to Photoshop, it is very, very different. And Photoshop is the program that I know better. So if you'd like to know how I've created this, please keep on watching. Okay guys, gals and non-binary pals, here we have it. This is June's budget. We have our calendar page. So there's no detail in that yet. I have made a sheet full of stickers. So some of these are expense tracker stickers, some of these aren't, some of these are to be used in the actual budget. Then we have got the budget, so I'll be setting that up in one of my next videos. And then we have the weekly check-in. Guys, gals and non-binary pals, thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. If you are new to the channel, please consider subscribing. It makes a huge difference to the channel, helps us grow and become bigger and better. If you have already subscribed and you're returning, thank you so much. Makes a huge difference to me, so thank you very, very much. Future videos we've got planned is June's budget. I'm also going to do an update on my debt, and I think I'm going to do that every month as well. And depending on when I post this, you've either got week 2's check-in to look forward to or week 3's. Thanks so much for joining me today, where I've set up the framework for June's budget. Until next week, guys, gals, and non-binary pals, bye!